In today's review, I'll be talking about a super app for trading stocks, payments, and crypto. It's called Naga. Naga have been around for quite some time. They also launched a cryptocurrency back when the last bear market started, which we'll talk about later in this video. And they've been around since and have evolved, which is always a good sign because it means they're sticking around through both good and bad markets. And before we begin looking at what Naga has to offer, for transparency as always, I'd like to inform you that this is a sponsored video and I'd like to thank the team at Naga for doing so. Also, anything I say in this video is for educational and exposure purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Always do your own research. Now, one of the amazing things about Naga is that there are over 1 million registered traders on their platform and they have some interesting features to offer. Aside from being able to invest and trade the global markets like stocks, commodities, forex, ETFs, and crypto, you can also trade with real-time execution and enjoy their professional tools. All the links can be found in the description of this video should you wish to download the app on your phone to try it out. Now, when you register for a free Naga account, you can upgrade it to live and enjoy the free education products from the team themselves. The other benefit using Naga is their Visa debit card. You can set up a virtual debit card called the Virtual Naga Card and you'll get assigned an IBAN account to send and receive money. You'll also be able to do transfers to other Naga users instantly. Aside from the features I've already mentioned, one other special feature is that you can copy the trading strategies of professional traders who have a record of success, and that can be clearly seen within their app. Also, this month, the profits that their top 10 most profitable traders have made overall are just over $891,000, which is a whole lot. Their average win ratio is 94.10%, and you can check them out, of course, by clicking the Check Our Top Traders button from the Naga.com website. Their mobile app is downloadable on both Google Play for Android devices or on the App Store for iOS devices. One of the features within the app is that you can send funds between your friends as long as they also set up an account. They can get that instant transfer and of course to other people's bank accounts if you have their IBAN number. The two different plans, the first one is the Naga Basic plan, which is just $1.15 per month, for which you can get a free debit card. You can use the card for free at any POS payment point such as supermarkets or stores. If you wish to transfer to a trading account, it will cost you 12 cents. Or if you wish to do SEPA transfers, which is an EU bank transfers that's known to be very fast, sometimes instant if the turbo fee is paid for the immediate transfer. And in this case, they charge 50 cents for it. You can also get a trading account with over 950 assets included and a crypto wallet, which will come in 2022. You can also take advantage of their copy trading feature. And Naga Premium gives you everything I've just mentioned for free with free transfers, but it will cost you $5.99 a month in euros if you choose the pay monthly option, or $4.99 a month if you choose to pay annually. Okay, so you get that small discount. So how do you get your Naga card? You simply install Naga Pay app from the App Store or Google Play. Finish the registration and upload the document photos to finish KYC, and then you get instant access to your IBAN and virtual card. Next, to talk about their cryptocurrency and the benefits it brings. Naga have the Ngc Token, which is currently trading at just over 65 cents USD at the time of doing this video. And we can see their total supply is almost 78 million, which is really not a lot. They are an ERC20 token on the Ethereum blockchain, and we can see their smart contract address right on CoinMarketCap. Their fully diluted market cap is just over $51 million, which is not bad. Anything under $100 million is still considered a low market cap in my books. Now let's talk about Naga Coin. The Naga Coin was developed in partnership with Naga, which is the publicly listed company operating a trading platform and social network. From day one, the Ngc token was intended to be the utility coin for traders, and during the course of its development, things have not worked out as expected, so the Ngc token remained idle. However, having profited after being listed on the German stock exchange, the team decided to bring the Naga Coin project back to life and create a growth strategy for the project, as well as integrate the token into their social trading networks with a 0% fee on trading, which is awesome. So let's find out more. Now you get two major benefits with the Ngc token. First, if you use the Ngc token when you copy trades from professional traders, as we've discussed earlier, you get a 30% discount in price. And second, if you're an Ngc holder, you automatically get better conditions as well as 20% lower spreads and fees for trading, which is a big bonus considering that over 1 million people are trading on their platform. One other feature that they have is Naga DeFi. We spoke about copying the trading strategy of professional traders. Now with Naga DeFi, you can copy the actions of the traders on chain and profit with them. So this is the blockchain version of the feature we spoke about earlier, which is already used for stocks, indices, and other assets. So how does it work? Naga shows you the trader information, the P&L, so you can get an idea if the person is profitable or not. And then all you have to do is copy their strategy. As you can see, once you do that, your action is executed through the smart contract on chain, and then any profit the trader makes, you also make. Of course, you are not by any chance forced to use the same portfolio size as the trader, and you can adapt the size based on your personal risk level. Should the trader no longer be successful and run through a series of bad trades, just know that this will also happen to you. Hence why I'm saying copying the strategy. So that's something you should be aware of, that not everything will be lovely and green every single time. With all that being said, I think Naga is a very good platform. I remember talking about them since the bear market, and because now they've got the funding to introduce Naga Coin into their trading app as a utility, there's definitely a bright future ahead for them, especially since we may not see such a long bear market as we've seen from 2018 to 2020, as crypto has now become more mainstream than ever before. Now, I also like the fact that aside from the trading platform, you can also use a debit card for your everyday needs. And hopefully at some point in the future, they may even have some sort of payback model for users who use their debit card to do shopping, but we'll see if they do that. That's been it from today's video. Very kind reminder that all the links can be found in the description of this video. And thanks as always for watching. And please let me know in the comments below, what do you think of Naga? Take care. Bye-bye.